Hey, this is Jonathan with Patrick Hyundai, one of the client advisors here. I want to show you a couple features on the new Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy. We do have, which is nice, I'm a bigger guy, we have the his and hers memory seats available. If you hold right here, it tells you saved right here, and it'll also tell you saved on the main infotainment screen. Now we head over to the back and we're gonna go ahead and look at the powered seats on the second and third row. There's a new update on those powered seats, which makes it easy for you and safer overall. All right, perfect. So where you're here in the second row here, I'm gonna show you there's different kinds of customizations available for you. So you can sit at your likings, or the kids can sit in the likings as well. The seats are fully powered on the second and third row. And believe it or not, you can actually recline the seats on both rows, and you can also slide them forward and backwards, which is nice, and they're all powered. Armrests are fully adjustable. And then you can also recline them to your liking as well. Alrighty, so perfect. Now I'm gonna show you how to get into the third row. Very easy, quick, easy access. I'm a big guy, I can fit back here, no problem. You hold this button right up here. You're gonna see the seat start lifting up. Just like this, all set and ready to go. Now, all I gotta do is enter to the back here. Alrighty, perfect. So now I'm in the third row here. Now let's go ahead and toss the seat back into position. We'll hit the button right over here to make it quick, easy access. Boom. Now, second row, they'll adjust their seat to their liking. I'm gonna be nice and comfortable because I can go ahead and recline my seat and slide my seat back over here as well. As you see, I'm moving forward, move backwards, and I can also recline the seat, get very comfortable. And I got my heated seat on, so I'm gonna be nice and warm. Perfect. Now we're over here in the third row on the outside. You ever need to carry a large cargo or anything, or you need to fit some shoulders in here, you got the perfect thing. Come with me right over here. I have the second and third row option. Now, as mentioned, all rows are powered. With the new update, the new logic programming, it detects any weight on the seat and is fully controllable by you as well. So when you come on, press one of the buttons here, make it easy. I can actually click on this all button. I can pull all the seats and I can toss them down. So when I hold it, all seats go down on the second and third row. And watch me go ahead and pull it forward. Perfect. Makes life easy. Third row, you want to keep the second rows up. You want to toss the third row down. You click on this third row tab, which is already clicked on. And then I just have to hold these two buttons here and they'll knock them down. And look how much trunk space we do have here as well. So for cargo spacing and stuff, reasons you need, you have all of it. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. This is Patrick Hyundai in Schaumburg. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.